So, you're wondering what causes lightning? Well, severe heat. When this heat grows and gets clouded over, it causes lightning. And I mean it. It causes a lightning. Because lightning can strike anyway, in an instant. Think about it. And you know what? It's not easy doing stretches in this, because a rod is considered dangerous. So think about that one. You know what a rod can do? Zap. Zap you down. Up, 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 and down, down, down. Yeah. So that's what it can do. And it's deadly, alright? Very, very deadly. So reconsider that. Shall you? We shall. Reconsider it. Because whenever there's severe heat and a cold front hits, it can cause lightning, like a storm.